Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today we're unboxing the February Faith Art box from Creative Retreat Kits. I am on their creative team, so these do get sent to me each month for review, but I've been with Creative Retreat for almost 2 years now, guys, so I really love their boxes. I think they are great for those of you who maybe don't want to be overwhelmed with a lot of product and just want to focus on a small amount of product and a devotional and just work through it in smaller scale. This is perfect for you. Or if you already have a lot of other maybe paper crafting products, you can kind of mix and match those in with this Faith Art box. So I love that it kind of gives you some options. So let's take a look at the February box. This is All Your Heart, and the devotional was written by Kalia Hudson Miller. Little unknown fact, my maiden name is actually Hudson as well, and it's Hutson, just the same. So that was kind of neat to see. I don't see that very often. And so the devotional, we are talking about love, of course. It's February, Valentine's Day, got to gear up for that. What I really love, I read through the devotional content. There is so much packed into this little devotional this month. We are going to look at Deuteronomy 6:5, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength. We're also going to look at the parable of the Good Samaritan. We're going to look at what it means to love God and love others and what that looks like. So there is a lot just packed into here. We've got tons of verses to study, read, and Bible journal, and then we've got some reflection questions to kind of help you interact with those verses and the devotional content. So you guys, this is going to be a good one. Some of this may be familiar, I don't know, if you've been Bible journaling for a while. Deuteronomy 6:5 is one that you may have journaled before, but I really like how she kind of ties everything together and gives some real life examples from her own life, and so it's good, guys. So check that out. On the back side here is the printed cardstock. So I always point this out because it's fun to see the different patterns, and you can use this. So once you've gone through the devotional content, I like to tear this apart. I cut things out of it. You could cut some fun wonky letters out of it, tabs, shapes, all kinds of goodness. I use this as inspiration for Bible journaling entries sometimes, and so don't be afraid to cut this apart and use it up. Now, everything else in the kit is meant to kind of help you journal your way through the devotional content. We've got the 3x4 stamp set, and this one is really neat this month. So it's got these letters here, and they are 2 letters to each stamp. So L-O-V-E and R-D. So you can spell love or Lord. You could even mask this off and spell loved if you wanted to. And it's this really cute serif font with these florals on there that you could color in. Love that. And then all these little words that you can mix and match with this to create your titles. I love the font. I love that these are words that, the, you, your, my, with, things that you can use with other stamp sets to build titles. So don't be afraid to pull this out and use it with other things and in other projects. And then you've got this really fun kind of texture stamp with these little wonky textured hearts. How cute is that? And it is the same heart pattern that's on the back of here. So you could white heat emboss these and then ink blend over it to get something that looks like this. Would be really fun. So love how much that you can do with that love stamp set. Instead of bow clippies this month, we are getting some enamel shapes, which is awesome. And these come in the 5 colors that coordinate with the kit here this month. And I like that this is not like a traditional red. It's more of a strawberry pink color. So that's kind of fun. And then pink, light pink, yellow, and blue. If you are doing other Valentine's Day projects, you should be able to mix and match this with other products. So I love that she stuck with a color scheme that's pretty traditional, Valentine's Day color scheme. So you should be able to use this with other projects as well. And then you get your 2 sheets of cardstock stickers. I think this is probably my favorite alpha sticker that Creative Retreat has done. It is a white tile alpha, and it's like a charcoal gray letter. It's a little bit smaller scale than we typically see, so you get a lot more of each letter. You got numbers and punctuation, but the font is super fun. It's just this really fun kind of like hand-drawn font. Really, really cute. I love this. So it'll be fun to mix and match this with the stamp set to create your titles. This page here, you've got your standard Creative Retreat word fetty with different words that work with the devotional content. Again, you can mix and match it with the stickers or mix and match it with the stamps. You've got your wonky hearts. These are really cute little circular pieces. It says love you and trust you, and they really remind me of like the conversation hearts that you can get at Valentine's Day, which I just heard they're not going to have them this year because the company stopped making them. So there's a little fact for you, but how fun is that it kind of mimics those little conversation hearts. That's cute. And then you've got in every joy, through every trial, so trust you through every trial, or love you in every joy. So you could kind of mix and match these as well. I like this big bold, I will love you. You've got some flowers, and then these labels. I'm all about labels. You can layer them behind things, stamp out your date, stamp out your verse address, lots of ways to use those. So yeah, really fun kit this month. I love that, you know, we're going with the whole love theme. One little tip, check out your Target dollar spot. They usually have fun holiday paper crafting products like patterned papers, washi tape, stickers, things like that. And they're gonna be in the colors that are gonna go along with this kit, as far as the reds and pinks and things like that. And so that's a fun way to bring in non-Bible journaling products with your Bible journaling kits and stretch them even further. So check that out. It's one thing I like about the Creative Retreat kits is it kind of gives you a base, and then you can bring in products from your stash and from other, you know, product lines and things like that, and kind of customize a kit if you need to. So I love that you have that option. So check out the description box down below. I'll have links to everything that I mentioned. Be sure to go check out the blog post. I'll have corresponding pictures, and there will be a swatch card. So I'm going to swatch out brush markers, Neocolor 2 crayons, inks, gelatos, all that goodness that match the kit this month. So go check that out if that's something you're interested in. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Check out the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe over there, where a bunch of us ladies from the creative team put process videos up over there so you can see how we work through the kit. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.